Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Anthony. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about personal branding on Instagram. And if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Anthony. I make videos like this, helping you guys to grow your Instagram pages, growth hack the algorithm, and gain more followers. I have a 1 million follower network, and we also have an Instagram management agency. So the idea from this video comes from my Facebook group when I asked you guys to leave your accounts below and I was going to review them. And the number one thing I saw across those of you who are trying to grow a personal brand was this thing that you guys have to fix. With that said, if you guys want to be inside of my Facebook group so you guys can get like up-to-date information, be part of things like that, I will leave the link for it in the description where you can go ahead and request to join. When you request to join, make sure you go ahead and let me know that you're coming from YouTube so I can accept you right away. So you guys want to build a personal brand on Instagram. This is literally going to be like a very basic video of like the fundamentals of what personal branding on Instagram is, and I'm going to follow it up with more advanced videos on how to then go ahead and build that personal brand. But this was like the biggest thing I saw. But if you don't fix this mistake, you're never going to really grow a successful personal brand. So what is it that you have to do if you really want to have a successful personal brand? The thing you really have to do is you have to find out your theme. Okay, it's a personal brand, so you have to really treat it as such. You got to find out, what do you want to be known for? Why are you starting your personal brand? What are you good at? Like, who are you? Who are you? So for example, if we take some of the bigger names like Tai Lopez, who is Tai Lopez? He's an entrepreneur that promotes living the good life. It's very clear when you go to his Instagram or any social platform what he's kind of about. If you go to someone like Gary Vaynerchuk, you go to his Instagram profile, you can clearly tell he's an entrepreneur who's trying to help other entrepreneurs grow their online business. If you go to someone like Tony Robbins, you can clearly tell they're an inspirational speaker and they can motivate you. So who are you? What is your personal brand, and why are you not posting content that goes around your personal brand? And this goes the same for any type of fitness star, athlete, musician, whatever it may be. All people with successful big brands have something that they're known for. That's how their personal brand gets started. So the problem with most people is that they want to have an Instagram that's a personal brand about them, and the personal brand is mainly fitness, but then they also want to be a foodie, and they also want to be a motivational speaker, and they also want to be an artist. And that just doesn't work. You can't have all these things tied up into one because it's not clear as to what you are. People come to your page and they get confused. They come to your page and they think you're just, some random person who just posts what they do day to day throughout their life, because it doesn't look like you're providing value on your page. Take me, for example. Take this YouTube channel, for example. I've built this entire YouTube channel on making Instagram videos. How would you guys react if I suddenly made a video which was like a vlog of me eating at a nice restaurant? It just wouldn't make any sense. What value did I provide? You guys aren't here for that. It's gonna perform really poorly. So the same thing applies on Instagram. If you want to be known as an entrepreneur or, documenting your journey, strictly document your entrepreneurial journey. Don't start documenting what you ate for dinner. Don't start documenting, your paintings that you draw when you're bored and stuff. If you want to have an Instagram page that's about book reviews and you read and review books, then just read and review books. Don't start posting food. Don't start posting basketball. Don't start posting sports or anything out of the ordinary. Stick to your theme. What are you known for? You could be gaining so many more followers if you just established who you want to be known as and strictly post content for that. I have so many of you guys who are like rappers and musicians, and you guys reach out to me and you're like, Anthony, hey, come check out my page. Like, what am I doing wrong? I'm not gaining followers. And let's just take all you rappers, for example. I go to your guys' pages and like you guys are posting like some of your mixtapes or some of your promos or stuff like that, and then there's also like pictures of like a barbecue dinner. Like it doesn't go together. If you want to be known for your music, don't post the food. If you want to be known for your music, don't post yourself at the gym. It just kind of throws everything off, and people are like, what's this guy known for? So it's super important that when you're posting content on your Instagram page, it's super clean and it's strictly niche. You want people to land on your page and clearly know who you are, what you do, and what they can expect to see from you. If they go to your page and you're posting fitness one day, travel the next day, and food the next day, nobody's gonna really follow you and nobody's gonna really get attached to you, and you're not gonna be able to provide as much value as you think you can. So stick to your theme, stick to who you are, who you want to be known as, and specifically make content for only that niche. Now, one thing that you can do if you really want to incorporate, let's say you're a fitness athlete, but you really want to incorporate what you're eating and your food and all that type of stuff, that's fine, but do that on your stories, okay? I would really recommend that your Instagram feed itself is super clean, super content for just your niche, and then your story can be the way that you show the behind the scenes. The story can be that photo that's not so great, that quick video you want to shoot, that quick motivational rant you want to show. Use your story to do that, and it kind of gives somebody something to look forward to on your story, because they know on your profile it's strictly value, but on your story they know they're going to get entertainment or whatever it is that you want to post. And that way your feed looks super clean while you're still making a really personal connection with your followers, and everything runs smoothly. I wouldn't even recommend starting to grow your personal brand without having all of that stuff squared away. That's how important it is. Now, if you guys want to get in my Facebook group so you can maybe be a part of the next type of post I do like that, where I actually go over some of your Instagram accounts, again, I'll leave that link in the description. Make sure when you're requesting it, you say that you're coming from YouTube so that I can accept you faster and it's not as hard to filter through all you guys. Now, for those of you guys who are super serious about Instagram and looking for the step-by-step guide, how do you get to 100K? How do you gain 10K a month? How do you monetize your entire Instagram business? I do have a training that I'll leave linked below. Go ahead and check that out. And with all that said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. That is the first step to building a personal brand. So if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now for the most up-to-date content about Instagram. Make sure you turn on post notifications for the next personal branding video. We're gonna go over how to grow it, and I'll see you all on the next video.